Good afternoon, it's Andy at Attleborough Centre. Just arrived into stock is this 2011 Volkswagen Golf 1.4 TSI DSG. It's covered just over 78,500 miles, finished in metallic silver. Nice specification car with front and rear park assist, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel. Interior is in great condition. DAB radio, Isofix in the rear. Nice large boot space. As usual, supplied with our minimum 3 months RAC warranty that includes 12 months free roadside cover. Check out our website for more photos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.